Thank you, Honorable Deputy Speaker. Onset, I was thinking that these questions would never have made it. It was quite public information available. And as a former director, human resource in the Ministry of Education is to be well aware of the current situation. The payment of acting allowances for teachers, yes, we are doing that. And at times there will be some delays because of verification purposes. That is nothing new. Something that has always been the case in terms of acting allowances, acting positions. And given that those that have been acting on the positions for quite some time, they have been paid. But because of the delays in the responses or advice that is given, they also taken time to pay the acting allowance. If there are instances of staff having concerns brought to your attention, sir, or you have been advised internally, please bring it to our attention.